What's up, beautiful people? It's your favorite wig stylist, Jay, and I am back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure your head for a custom unit if you're shopping wigs online, or if you just want to know, do I really got a big head? First, we're going to start with the circumference. You're going to go from the tip of your hairline where your baby hairs are. Then you're going to scoop around the back of your head, making sure the ears are not tucked. And then you do want to add a very slight tug on it just to make sure there's no flack, so you can get your actual realistic head measurement. Next up, we're going to measure the front to the nape. So that's the really tippy top point of your hairline. If you have a widow's peak, yes, you are going to include that. And you're going to go all the way to the back of the nape. So yes, get that kitchen. Those measurements matter, okay? So you're going to, once again, take that measuring tape and you're going to go trail your head all the way to the back, like so. And that's going to be your front to nape measurement. Moving on to the forehead measurement, I like to call this the measurement for the frontal, because you're measuring the entire front of your forehead, going from ear to ear. So for example, your 13 by 4, that's what that's referencing, that 13. You're literally going from one ear across the forehead to the next ear. Next measurement is going to be ear to ear over the top. You want to go slightly, very slightly behind the ear, touching the hairline, and you're going to bring it all the way across to the other side of the ear and just going slightly behind that ear, so that way that wig can fit comfortably. Sometimes when you get a wig, it's literally sitting on your ear and it's irritating, it's frustrating, you want to take it off. This is going to stop that. Let's get into the temple measurements. This lets me know just how wide your hairline is. Some people have low hairlines, so their temple, those baby hairs there, come out further than the average person, which there's nothing wrong with. This just needs to be taken into account, whether your wig is going to be glued or glueless. The nape is one of the easiest measurements. You're just taking the lowest point of your hairline and you're going from one side of your head to the other. The average person's nape is usually about 4. We interrupt this broadcast to let you know that our support team t-shirts are now available. Go ahead and check out that link in the description box. The t-shirts are available in various shapes, colors, and sizes, so go ahead and support. And we are back with your scheduled programming. So now I'm going to show you how you would take those same exact measurements from before, just if your hair was braided up. You want your hair to be as flat as possible to get the accurate measurements that you would need. There is no better way than to do this with your hair braided. So for the rest of this tutorial, I will not say much since it is a duplicate of before. Stay tuned. Always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. See you in my next video.